Hey, what's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets. Um, I feel like if you took any trade that we called out, what was it, Sunday, Saturday? Sunday morning? Yeah. For today, absolutely just like killed it. We'll go over them really quickly. Amazon, this one wasn't the best, but it worked. Over 177, target was 177.93. High was 178.70. Next one, CVX. This one I absolutely slapped. I actually, on my sheet here, I put it as invalid because it actually opened below our trigger, but I'm hoping people still took it. Um, because we have so many targets below. But our entry was 162, and the high was 161.49. So it actually sold off before open below our actual entry. Again, I'm hoping people still took it because it hit every single level. If you didn't, that's probably good as well. Disney was a miss. I put it as a miss, even though it was a swing trade. It's down, you know, over a point from the entry. Basically, just literally peaked above our entry. Our entry was 104.15, and it went to 104.22, and then rejected pretty hard. So put that one down as a miss. What else do we have here? FedEx. This is a smaller trade as well. 2 points, 20 cents. Short below 252.20, close at 250. I said that this was a price target. The 247.77, which we actually tapped, so that worked out as well. And then Myrna, this was, I think, the biggest one today. Excuse me. Where's my... Okay. My words are way over here. Calls over 144.25. First trim 146.47. Second trim 149.16. And close at 150.75. And the high was 150.80. So we got it. For tomorrow, first trade that I'm looking at is going to be AMAT. I didn't see a lot, excuse me, but obviously the stuff that I found should be high quality, should work out. So puts below 213.90, and we're looking for 3 points. We're going to close at 210.90, and this will be for 2 days out. Swing trade 2 days out. Sorry, let me move this down so I don't have to keep pulling it up on your screen. Next trade we're looking at is going to be Netflix. Last time we traded this, we absolutely killed it. It was over here, I think. Actually, no, it couldn't have been that long ago. It was this run here that we caught. And so now we've had a good move up and a healthy pullback. And so now we're looking for another run. Calls entries over 635.70. First trim 637.76. Second trim 642.30. Closed calls at 646.51. And price should visit 667.16. But you can target this, but I would take like at least a month, if not 2 months out. If you're looking for 646.51, 2 weeks out will be the target. Hey Raven, AMAT, I can open it back up. It's just puts below 613.90, and then you're going to close at 210.90. Okay. Going back to Netflix really quick, just so people can look at these areas again, the levels. Again, 2 weeks out, if you're targeting 640, 651. If you're looking for 667.16, take at least a month or two out on your options. And then the last one I have for you guys is going to be Target. Can I make an example with the earnings stock for tomorrow? Sorry, I'll get to you in a second, Bob. So, Target. We actually just played this run up to the upside, and all levels got hit. And now this is looking very unhealthy. We've also kind of filled this fair value gap here, or whatever they call it, ICT. But anyway, this is not sustainable the way that it's running up like this. I'm looking for a pullback. So below 151.95, I will take puts. First trim will be 150. Second trim, 147.31. And I will close my puts at 144.44. QQQ, I covered it the other day, and I'm sure not much has really changed. Let me look at this on a lower time frame, because this was for today, right? So, I mean, gosh, if you listened, you banked. It's probably a little bit hard for you guys to see, but I was saying this was my short level between the single prints here, and we literally just peeked into it and sold off. So anywhere that says possible rejection is also a possible bounce. So we did kind of bounce here, came back down again, possible rejection. So just to explain that better, it's like support turn resistance. So if we're above it, resistance becomes support. If we're below it, support becomes resistance. So we kind of chopped here for a second, sold off, and then chopped at this level. And then, like I said, puts below here and close puts here. I couldn't have done this better if I tried. And then this is the 50% where I was saying watch for a reversal above this level to take calls, or watch for a bounce here. Ultimately, like when you see sell off below a level and then you see a really like a buying tail like we do on this candle here, and we come back through a level, this should be an easy long or easy calls, and then ride it back up. And I showed that here, like from the 50% candle, play it up, and it did kind of exactly what I said. We came up here, bounced off of this level, and then went higher. I'm guessing this was my target, 151.80. We can kind of look at it a little bit more in depth really quick. Sorry, target, yes, 2 weeks out. Final target, 144.44. Okay. Lucas, I don't believe there's such a thing as oversold. Does it have a shot to reach 455? Yes. Let me just erase all of this, as sad as that's going to be for me. Let's see where we're at. this is going to be my short level here, or where I would look for. These are single prints. What am I doing? So in this range here, 455 to 455.95 is where I would be looking for price to reject, and you would take puts. Okay. Kind of same thing down here. We have single prints and a buying tail. So right here. Is where you would look to take calls. Sorry, and that level was a little bit off. So it's between 455 and 455.67. You would look to take puts. This area here is always going to be important. This is the POC. We also have a volume shelf here, so if you do take puts from here, I'd be looking to get out here, because you're probably going to see some kind of a reaction, and then possibly come to here, or inverse. If we open down, you would want to look for longs there, or calls, reaction here. It's a D-shaped profile for today. And then, let's see. Actually, it's a B. Sorry. We have double distribution. Yeah, I would still be watching for this, and then possible bounce right here. I sound like a robot. Oh shoot! You know what? I gotta figure out what's up with my audio. I don't know what it is. I've got
I'll
some
help
kind
you
of.
whenever you're done.
You're help me when we're done.
Yeah, I think I know what it is,
I
but
have some kind of
whenever
a
you're
feedback loop. Yeah.
yeah, it's like it's being recorded or picked up twice and it's slightly delayed. And I think I know what it is, but I would need to I'll check with you after.
Oh, awesome! I would really appreciate that. I've been trying to figure it out for a few weeks, and I am not an audio technician. I thought I had it
Okay.
fixed, but yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Apparently. Yeah, we'll look at it, Rob. Awesome. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, no
Um.
problem.
Anyway, these are the levels I would be interested in on blah 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 QQQ. If we are able to get through this retest, this is your long, and if we're able to get through this retest, um, probably coming to about here. Okay. Um, okay, I know I had some questions that I didn't answer. Bob. Oh, wait. Where? Yeah, Bob. How do I enter and exit? I mean, literally, like, um, So as soon as price crosses, let's say in the instance of AMAT, right? As soon as it crosses below 213 and 90 cents, you would take your puts. And then when it hits 210 and 90 cents, you would close your puts. A lot of people don't have the discipline to wait for the whole move. And I know a lot of people close early, and that's your own prerogative. But how you should be trading is you have your targets, and when you enter, if your target doesn't get hit, and it comes down, um, and then goes back up and stops you out, it is what it is. But the issue is if you plan your trade like this, and you've got to get double your reward for your risk. So stop loss should be right around here to have the minimum of 2-to-1 risk to reward. So if you keep trailing, basically every time, you're probably going to get trailed out early, and or if you take profits early, you're never going to reach your price target. But every time you go red, your stop loss is going to get hit. Or some people make the mistake of moving their stop loss and hoping that it goes back in their direction. But if you plan the trade properly, um, like it shouldn't. Why is this not working now? Anyway, oh, it's because I moved this down. Duh. Yeah, but if you're planning your trades properly, like you should be getting stopped out based on key levels on the chart. So, some key levels on AMAT would be like these candles here. Like you would want your stop loss to be above that. You also want it to be above this candle here. It would be dope if your stop loss could be above this wick, but we wouldn't be able to get the 2-to-1 risk to reward, so wouldn't work out. Okay, so hopefully that answers your question, Bob. But yeah, just remember if you're always like trailing your stop loss and moving your stop loss is always going to get hit, but you're never going to. I mean, like occasionally, if you get a news candle, you might hit your profit target, but you're not going to. Sorry, dogs. Hang on one second. But you're never going to reach your profit target, so not good. Yeah, I figured out the mic sensitivity. Um, okay, so somebody asked about oversold. Trying to find it. Oh, didn't Crowd just have earnings, or it has earnings coming? Like, yeah. Tomorrow. So I think that's going to be a news thing, and it's not even worth looking at. Like, we have no way of knowing if this is going to rip or dump. I mean, overall, it's been in a pretty massive downtrend, right? Um, Kind of wouldn't be surprised if this is like um, where we see a bounce right around this level. Them losing this POC is like bad news, but um, yeah, we're right at a big shelf here. I would expect a bounce, personally. Um, Lucas, I don't know if you're trolling me. I don't trade with RSI. It doesn't mean anything. What RSI means is that you're using a lagging indicator, and if I am trading the same thing as you, when you use RSI to enter your trade, I'm probably selling my contracts to you, um, and I've already made my money. That's what RSI means. Um, I don't really know what else to say about that. Like if you, Lucas, if you follow our channel, we have tons of education, and it's being taught to you by an actual market maker. And everything that we teach is based on volume profile, um, TPO, um, order flow, things like that. But there's never any mention of MACDs or RSIs or moving averages or any of that stuff. So hopefully that answers your question. And I don't see the oversold. I know somebody asked me something about something being oversold. Oh, is cat oversold? I see. Lucas, you have to be trolling me. Um, there is a little bit of clouds in the. Sorry, there is a little bit of MACD in the clouds, but it's not based strictly on MACD. Dude, cat is so oversold. Yeah. Should be bouncing around here, which would encompass this wick here. But ultimately, if they come down to this POC, that would be super nice. But this could be it right here. I mean, this is a pretty stacked level for a bounce right here. Right there. Okay. Dude, who is Lucas? Somebody's gonna message me on Discord and be like, "I'm Lucas, by the way." Ha ha ha. Got you. Okay, cool. All right, everybody. That's all I got. So I'll catch you all later. Rob, I'll talk to you in the Discord. Oh, you're pretty new, so you're not trolling. If you're not, it's cool. But you're literally like asking um, everything that this Discord is not, or that our channel is not about. So, Brief Cloud 101. Are you, Ethan, are you in the Discord? And by in the Discord, I mean Shorty's Discord. You're in Shorty's Discord? Oh, okay. I mean, are you. Just hop in the Orbs chat after and we'll go over it, and then that way you can ask questions and whatever else. They're pretty straightforward. But yeah, just hop in the Orbs chat right after I fix my mic. William, you just join. It's very small though, very exclusive. We don't really advertise it too much because we keep it small so that we can focus on teaching the people that are there. But there's a link in the description of this video if you want to join. It's not cheap, but you're learning from a market maker, and it's all education based. And then we also trade live pretty much 5 days a week. Yeah, we've got a little bit of room open right now. So if you're interested, I mean, now is the time to join because it's the beginning of the month, and legit is not even the right word. I mean, you like, I don't know how I could be more transparent than I'm being. Like, I'm going over option plays with you guys live. Um, I'm going over, um, setups. Like we just looked at QQQ, we just looked at SPY. We can look back at them and see which ones worked, which ones didn't. You know, this is a pretty crappy like win loss ratio for me. We definitely have way more wins than losses. And as long as you're using 2 reward for every 1 risk, you should be very profitable, even if you followed every single trade. And if you followed every single trade and you caught the original Netflix that we got, like, what was it, 33-point move, like you're golden. Um, so, like there's no way for us to hide the legitimacy of, who we are. I can even show you guys like my Um, I mean, I'm pretty transparent. So this is, I qualified for a new 250K account on Wednesday, or sorry, on Tuesday. So I started trading it on Wednesday, and this is my win percentage so far. 5.6 on Wednesday, 16.8% on Thursday, 7.9 on Friday. And you can see, like, I'm green for the week. I'm green every day, but I do have one loss in here. Like, this is not fake. This is real. Um, the, sorry. Um, and then on Monday here, 11.5%, for almost a 50% return in 4 days. And this was all traded live in the Discord. Every single play that I took was called out. Um, and then I can show the dollar amount. I mean, I show this stuff, like I post it in the Discords most of the time, but, um, this is 4 days of work. I made $3,143.36. And my wife says thank you. So, that's it. Yeah, um, the Discord's very legit. The teaching is very real. I would say, I'm gonna just add this that somebody asked about the Discord, and then I'm gonna end the video. But um, the you're all perfectly capable of learning this stuff on your own. You don't need somebody to teach you. You don't need to join a Discord to learn it. Um, you just have to study and read. The thing that's nice about the Discord is that you have people that you can ask questions to, and people that are educated. We have a lot of really solid traders. We have people, I'm not going to say their names, but there's people that just absolutely crush. Like, one of our guys paid off all of his mom's debts, and she had never been on a vacation in her life. He sent her on a vacation, paid off her house. Another one of our guys just cashed out like 1.3 or 1.4 million dollars from Apex. Like, we have some really, really solid traders, and they've all learned mostly from Shorty, and then also from myself as well. I was mentored by Shorty, and I feel very, like, grateful that I had that opportunity. Like, I literally learned almost everything that I know from him. And if you are interested in the Discord, it's the place to be. But again, you are perfectly capable of learning all of this on your own. You don't need a Discord. But if you are looking for, like, a helping hand and to expedite that learning process, Shorty's Discord is the place to be. Yeah, and you'll never hear any talk about MACD's, RSI, whatever. Um, yeah. I don't, you're I'm in the Discord with another trader. Can I see your link? Um, I mean, I'll just post the link right now in the chat. This is it. Um, anyway, I mean, you guys are all welcome to join. I think there's a lot of benefit to watching, like, professional traders trade live. How quickly we switch from short to long, or in most people's terms, like, or people that trade options, like, from calls to puts. We literally flip, like, um, the flip of a coin, just like boom, 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 in and out. Um, yeah, Rob. And Rob, I mean, Rob's one of the newer people on Discord, and he's been just absolutely running with it and crushing. Um, so, yeah, if you guys are interested, I mean, you're getting live feedback from people that are in the Discord that have, like, no reason, like, they're not gaining anything from telling you guys that, that it's worth joining. Like, we're not, they're not paid actors or anything. They're just here for the content, watching the option plays. So, um, that's it. Unless anybody has any other questions. Looks like that'll do it. So everybody, best of luck tomorrow with your trading. Um, Ethan will go over the clouds in just a second, and then also Rob helped me with my audio.
Oh yeah, I'm here, man.
All right.
If you want to try it before you end the stream,
I
it
don't mind.
might be
Yeah.
quick.
Yeah.
Okay, right click on the volume bottom right desktop top.
Oh, on my computer.
Yeah, on your desktop computer, like on
Okay.
your
Yep. Open volume
right,
mixer.
and then click sounds.
Sound settings. Uh huh.
Not sound settings, but it says sounds.
No, mine doesn't. It just
Ooh,
says open mixer, open volume mixer, or sound settings.
what version of Windows do you have?
11.
That might be why. Okay, sound settings then.
Okay.
Manage sound devices. Might be different for Windows.
Maybe you can share your screen, Drew, so
Yeah.
that people can help. Yeah.
No, sound settings maybe? Yeah, it's right back where I am.
Do you have an option there that says on the bottom? Scroll down.
This?
Yeah, click on that. Okay. Which mic are you using?
The Quadcast.
Okay,
Oh,
click
it's
on
down
that. Yeah, the Quadcast.
Oh, it's not this, is it?
When you're listening or when you say something, can you hear yourself in your
Yes.
headphones?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's what I think it is. Because so
Oh,
you
wait,
have
do I
two
have
options.
listening turned on?
If you have listening turned on and you're recording your mic and your desktop audio, that's
Dude,
probably why it's
I
taking a
bet you
flight.
I have listening turned on. Hang on, where is it?
That's what it sounds like to me.
I think that's what it is.
Like in the echoing, I think. Yeah.
Playback. No.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's what I was trying to get you to pull up originally. I don't know how you got to that.
Oh, dude, like I'm IT person. You should have just told me to come here to the
Yeah.
control panel.
Yeah, and then go to the
Wait,
recording tab.
here?
Yep. Properties.
Properties. Is listening turned on? No.
Okay, it's not turned on. What's your? So my second question would be, what's your streaming?
Wait, why is it on here twice? Oh, wait. This is my... That's my headphones. This is my microphone.
You can maybe disable the other one, but I.
Yeah.
What's your streaming software? Is it
But I don't
Streamlabs?
have...
Is it?
Oh, wait. No. Yeah. No.
Oh, much better.
Yeah?
Seems like.
I don't think so. I still hear it. I still hear, like, the robotiness.
Oh no, I'm in the Discord right now. The YouTube.
Yeah.
I don't watch the YouTube to see. Like last week when you were live trading, you
Mhm.
sound so robotic, and it's like cutting on and off, on and off.
Well,
in
that's been fixed.
Yeah, you are perfectly fine now. Like perfectly fine.
Yeah, you did sound way better in
Understand.
Discord, but I do still hear it on YouTube a little bit.
Yeah. I'm wondering if it's even possibly like my streaming software.
Is it
Yeah,
because
pull that up.
Well, I can't change anything when I'm in the. Can't make
while you're
changes
streaming?
while I'm streaming. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, okay, maybe end the stream.
I wonder if killing this. Oh no, it won't even let me disable. Let me try that. Test, test, test. No, it's still the same.
Yeah, maybe so if you change if I can't myself hang on. So if you stop streaming on YouTube, can you stream on Discord should be fine, right?
Yeah, but we're not going to hear the echo because
The
I
ding.
really think it's this. It's something in here.
I think it might be OBS though.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm not using OBS. I'm using Prism, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, and you're not picking your mic up twice or something on Prism because like it also sounds like it could be that.
Yeah, see, it's just here once.
Do you have like an echo or noise cancellation thing maybe? Because sometimes that'll like mess things up or fix it.
It's so annoying. Actually, I know it has to be this stupid software. Wait, what fixed? What fixed it?
The thing you
Removing
did before, John does
this?
talk about it.
That fixed it? I just disabled my headphones. Yeah, it's better. I have an echo still, but okay. I mean, I don't care if I hear an echo as long as people on YouTube are not hearing an echo. And it looks like everybody's saying it sounds good now. Yeah. Can somebody my only concern is can somebody check and see if they could hear other people talking in Discord? Like, can one of you be in the YouTube? No, I'm saying now that I just changed it. So that's going to be a problem. Because, yeah, a lot of this is streaming shorty. Mm-hmm.
And then I want to see if you have an option for noise cancellation or not, because that might fix it.
I didn't see anything.
No?
It's weird. I wonder if it's worth just ditching Prism and going to OBS. Because, like, I can't find, when I search stuff on Prism, like, there's just no information. Like,
I never used that. Like I've been always been using OBS from the beginning. Like everything's Twitch in real life came out. I think like 6-7 years ago.
yeah.
I've been using. It's pretty solid. I'll say it's worth the switch.
Okay.
Did you say OBS is?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like OBS too. There's also Streamlabs, which I hear is even easier to use, but OBS is just what I'm used to, and it's simple. I mean,
True.
I probably just need help setting it up, but
it's pretty like after you like do it once, you got everything down.
Yeah, you said it. Got it. Yeah. Very easy.
Now that I hear the difference though on YouTube, absolutely 100% turning your headphones off made everything better.
That's so weird. I don't understand. Because I don't have a mic on my headphones. It would go here or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, so your headphone doesn't have a built-in mic. It's just the microphone on the desk.
Yeah. So my microphone on my, like, where is it? Like,
Oh yeah, you put it on the top. Yeah,
this
I know
is
what
the
you're saying.
microphone for my headphones. I don't use it.
Oh yeah, so it shouldn't be picking that up then.
I know, it's weird. I wonder. Actually, let me try this. Because maybe this will be a solution. I think this is my monitor, right? Is this better? Now can you guys still hear, like... Well, actually, the people in Discord need to talk. That's who I'm concerned about. Yeah, it's weird.
Discord only for audio.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, I'll have to mess
That
with
would
OBS then. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks everybody for the help. I'm gonna dip out. Discord. We'll go over the clouds. Anyway,
Sounds good, man.
YouTube land. Everybody have a good night. Thanks. Peace out. Much love.
Have a good
Bye.
night.